We learned about S.O.A.R,
S.O.A.R stands for
safe,
orderly,
and respectful.
It's a clear, concise message delivered for our youngest bus riders.
Hey, y'all follow me? I'm Barney.
If we could grab our children from the beginning, from the smaller stages, and start training them on how to properly ride the bus,
so then if you're new to the bus, you know what to do.
that will make all of the difference as they get older and matriculate through the system.
It's creating a culture of safety and respect.
Respectful is everything. You know, respect goes a long way, and we all know that. And we also, even with the respect, the S.O.A.R, we also talk about integrity. So all of that works hand in hand because it's going to take them a lifetime to learn these things and use it as an adult.
We learned how to stand in an orderly line,
How to get off the bus and get on the bus.
We hold on to the rail and we let one person go at a time. They have to know how to sit back to back, bottom to bottom, book bag on lap.
and we also learned about all the exits in the bus.
Never touch the bus. We never go near the tires. And we never go behind the bus.
There's something else we gotta do at a bus stop.
What is that?
We have to stand in a straight line.
A simple straight line toward busing success. Of course, that's to soar.
Safe, orderly, and respectful.
It makes you feel proud that you got the children home safely, to school safely, and the next day you can start all over again.
For SCCPSS, I'm Ken Slatz.